Here are 14 ways to earn money even if you're just in the comforts of your home. These are real jobs and opportunities that you might want to explore after you watch this video. You do not need to have any prior experience to succeed here. I will explain what you can offer and what are the things that you can do to land a job in one of these ways. Welcome! In this channel, I will be sharing different ways on how you can make money online and the step-by-step process on how you can maximize it. You will get to learn new techniques every day, as well as we'll be uploading videos on a daily basis. I want to make sure that I'm not the only one who is enjoying these opportunities because, trust me, most of the effective online money-making hacks are kept a secret. Number 1. Be a virtual assistant. This has become very popular, maybe because during the start of the pandemic, most of us were forced to stay at home and work. Well, that is when people discovered the power of remote jobs. If you're going to apply for a virtual assistant role, you should expect to do different things every day. Being a jack of all trades can help you find multiple clients, so just make sure that you can handle all the responsibilities. Nowadays, we see how businesses are seeking virtual assistants instead of directly hiring someone to work in the office. I bet they can save a lot from doing this. You should be flexible, organized, and ready if you want to succeed in this career. Number 2. Invest in stocks. Before you say anything, I know that this is not the only profitable investment that you can make, but I just want to be specific for the purpose of this video. Though investing in these kinds of things can be really risky, it pays off pretty good, especially if you take time to study the market. It can be a great way of passive income. You do not have to spend 24/7 just to trade. If you really want to be hands-on in your stocks, then becoming a trader is the way to go. But if you're someone who takes calculated risks, then you can just invest in stocks. With this one, you should be ready to risk a lot if you're going to spend a lot as well. I mean, as cliche as it sounds, indeed, the higher the risk, the higher the return. If you have a regular job, you can opt to sign up for your company's financial program, since you can be quite sure and more in tune with how the business is going. Number 3. Be a Twitch streamer. Well, you might know Twitch as a gaming platform, but it is so much more than that these days. Now, if you're specifically enjoying using this, then you can earn by becoming a streamer. On the other hand, you should have a huge following to make huge money. On that note, you can earn by becoming a streamer on many other video games. There are multiple ways to earn here on Twitch. You can have brand sponsorships, sell products, Twitch ads, fan donations, and subscriptions. To maximize the income potential of this opportunity, you might want to try all these 5 methods. Number 4. Sell your photography. If you're skilled in this area, there is no reason not to try this out. Imagine, you'll be earning just by doing something you enjoy and you're good at. There are also different ways to make this possible. Some of the websites that I would like you to visit are Alamy and Shutterstock. This is where you can get paid royalties through sharing the images that you have captured, and you will get paid whenever someone downloads your image. If you do not want to wait for people to download your photos, then you can be a photographer in different events. It would be helpful if you have a portfolio to show your future clients, so I suggest that you put together all the best photos that you've captured so far and present that next time to your potential client. Number 5. Be a driver. This is a convenient way of earning, especially if you have a car that's just sitting around your garage. You can make use of that by becoming an Uber driver. You can also opt to deliver things. You can also take advantage of opportunities like free car media. This is where you're going to drive your car around certain places while your car is wrapped in some kind of advertisement. You can even get more creative and sell products to your passengers. Number 6. Take advantage of coupons. Come on, there is no shame and nothing wrong with being practical nowadays. Even if you might not save too much, being able to avail a product, service, or food at a lower price is still a win. You can also earn some commissions if you share these coupons on different platforms. One of these platforms is Coupon Chief. This is comparable to affiliate marketing, but with this one, you're going to share coupons. It is a win-win since you'll be helping others save as well while earning at the same time. You can try to visit this specific website and see for yourself about how amazing and helpful this one is. Number 7. Try online selling. You can sell almost everything these days, as it is more convenient to purchase things online. For example, clothes. Gone were the days where people wanted to make sure that before they buy clothes, it should fit them well. That is not how people think nowadays. Now it all boils down to the marketing of brands and businesses. Also, you can earn more by selling your pre-loved items, especially if they are still in good condition. This way, you can also declutter your place and be able to clear up space for more important things. There are tons of websites already where you can share your items. Most people love to buy things that are cheaper than the other options. As long as they can use it and the items can serve its purpose, then there will be buyers lining up to claim your item. You can also share the things that you want to sell on different social media platforms, especially on Facebook, where there are hundreds or even thousands of buy and sell groups. It's so easy to reach and connect with consumers, especially in this digital age, so make sure that you utilize that. Number 8, sell your designs online. If you're a graphic designer or enjoy graphic design, then make use of that skill, especially that is actually in demand. Almost all businesses and brands that decide to go digital are looking for graphic designers. You can create graphics for their social media products and websites. You can find clients that are willing to pay you a good amount of money to be their graphic designer on freelancing websites. On average, graphic designers get around $30 per hour. Number 9. Buy and sell domain names. If you're awesome who constantly buys domain names but is not able to maximize the use of it, then you can just sell them. This way of earning might not be for everyone though. Well, here's a tip. If you have a oneword.com domain, then there is a higher chance that people will be interested in buying your domain. You can also sell domains which are in demand, updated, and on trend these days. You can look into this if you're really interested in how this works. You can always search for domain names that have high bids. Number 10. Review apps. Now, this is a very popular way of making money online. Besides the fact that you will not take too much of your time to accomplish this task, it is also very easy to review apps. These are sites that will pay you higher if you will take this task seriously, and will really use the apps that they have on the website. Some might even require you to record your screen to actually see that you're using the application. Businesses want to make sure that their applications are user-friendly, so they pay someone like you to review their websites. This way, they will know if there are bugs and flaws that needs fixing. Number 11. Try part-time jobs. Well, if money is really tight and you're not picky about jobs, then you can try out different opportunities whenever you stumble upon one. There are multiple websites that will let you take on part-time jobs online. Do not worry, the opportunities online are endless. There is no harm in trying anyway, especially if you're really determined to have a job that will give you additional income. Number 12. Be a TikTok consultant. We all see how this application is dominating the internet today. Also, this is more than just a platform to watch random videos, as this is also a place where you can now sell things. If you decide to be a consultant, then businesses or brands will likely ask for your opinion and suggestion regarding the trend and what videos will likely get more traction or attention. Number 13. Sell greeting cards online. Like what I've mentioned earlier, you can sell almost everything online, and selling greeting cards is also another thing that you can do to have additional income. If you're going to use this method, then I suggest that you niche down on what you're going to offer. You cannot create everything for everyone, so be specific with what you're going to sell. Number 14. Start dropshipping. Online e-commerce business is already becoming a trend since there is so much room for growth and opportunity with this. Though this can also be a risk, you can actually make a huge amount from this. Okay, so that is it. If you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you click the bell icon and turn on the notifications so that you will be updated right away whenever we have a new video. If you want to share your thoughts and suggestions, please feel free to do so in the comment section below. Now go and make more money. I'll see you in the next video. You can click on the next one showing on your screen right now if you want to watch more of our content. I'll see you next time.